Experience luxury and efficiency in the 2019 Toyota CHR 1.2 T-Sport 4 door in sleek grey. This hatchback boasts comfort features like air conditioning and cruise control, as well as advanced safety options such as anti-collision system and lane departure warning. With its sporty styling, including a chrome package and privacy glass, this CHR stands out on the road. Rest assured with the anti-corrosion warranty and powertrain warranty included. Our vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive away in sophistication with the 2019 Toyota CHR.